Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can download the TD Ameritrade's ThinkOrSwim software to start trading. If you go to tdameritrade.com, this website, if you try to download the ThinkOrSwim, most of the time you will not find, because the software download option is only available once you log in the account. So if you still don't have any account, you have to create a TD Ameritrade account first. Once you get the account, then you are ready to start downloading and using the software. So I already created one account from TD Ameritrade, this website. So to create account, at first you need to go this website, tdameritrade.com. You can use any of the browser. Once you are able to create your account, then follow the next steps to download and install the software ThinkOrSwim. So I'm going to log in my account by using my username and password. Once you put your username and password, you just need to click the login. So I'm going to hit the login button to log in my account. So if my username and password is successful, then it will come this page and it will ask me some type of security question. This is a security feature of TD Ameritrade. So here we have to type the security password, or sometimes it will not ask you the security question or something like that, but I am using the private mode of the browser, that's why it is asking the security question answer. So I'm going to type the answer of the security question, but for your case you have to put your own security answer of the question which you created at the beginning of sign up of this account. Once I completed the security password, I'm going to hit the continue button. Once you log in your TD Ameritrade account successfully, then you will find this type of page and this type of menus: my account, trade, research, and so on. So our target was to download the ThinkOrSwim software. To download that, we have to go the download page of ThinkOrSwim. The download link is under trades. If you move your cursor under trades, then it will pop up this type of menu, and on the right side, almost right, the third column, you will find trading platform, and under that there is ThinkOrSwim. So we have to click here to access the download page of ThinkOrSwim, and this is the desired page from where we have to download the ThinkOrSwim, and there you will find a button with the text download ThinkOrSwim. So this is the download link of ThinkOrSwim. Just need to click here and then it will start downloading shortly. So once I click here, then you will see that it is starting downloaded, and it's not a big software. Basically it is on around 52.3 megabyte. Once the download is finished, then we are ready to install the software. So let's go to the download location. For my case, the download location is under downloads. So if we click downloads, and we'll see that the software is there, ThinkOrSwim. And to install this, we need to use this installer. I am using Mac computer, that's why it is DMG file, and if you are using Windows computer, that will be .exe file. Now I will start install this software. So to install this software, just double click on top of it, and then it will start the installation window, and it will give you this type of window, and then it is asking like this type of thing: ThinkOrSwim installer.app. So what you have to do, you have to double click again on top of it, and then you will get this type of warning or security related thing. ThinkOrSwim installer.app is an app downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, we want to open it because we want to do start trading with this software, right? So we have to hit the open button, and then it will give us the installer wizard, and it will take some time, and at first it will ask you the language which you want to choose. So here there are a couple of languages, so I'm going to use English language, and then after that we have to click OK button to go to the next step. And here is the prompt. It is asking, welcome to ThinkOrSwim setup wizard. This is the first screen basically for the installation. Okay, and then there is two buttons, one is next and there is cancel. If we click next, then it will go to the next step of the installer, and if you click cancel, then the installation will be cancelled. Okay, so I'm going to hit next button. Once I hit the next button, then it is asking, please select your account provider. So which one is your account provider? Right now TD Ameritrade is my account provider, so I am choosing that option, and then I'm going to hit next button. But if you have other account provider, just choose from there. Okay, so just click on next, and then it will give you the license agreement page, and from here we have to agree. that's why I have to check this thing or check this radio button. I acknowledge, continue with installation, and then hit next button. And then here it is asking select installation option. There are two options: install for all users of this machine or for the current user. I am okay to use this software, anybody of who want to use this computer, so I'm going to hit this one. But if you want to make this software only to be used by only you, then choose this option. Okay, so I'm going to hit all user, and then I'm going to hit next button. And then it is asking where should ThinkOrSwim will be installed. For my case, all the applications is installed under application ThinkOrSwim, but if you want to change the location, you can also change from this browse option. Okay, if you click browse, then you can put the path where it will be installed, and then hit next button. And one more thing, it is showing you the total space required. It requires 142 megabytes. So before installation, make sure you have enough space to install this software. Okay, now click on next button to go to the next step, and then it is asking select installation option, and there is on another thing that a checkbox like thing like create desktop icon. If you uncheck, then it will not create the desktop, and if you check, then it will create the desktop. I am not interested to create the desktop icon on my computer, but for your case, if you prefer to put a desktop icon for this software, you can also check mark this thing. Okay, so I'm going to hit next button, and then it will start the installation, and very soon it will finish the installation. And there is another checkbox run in ThinkOrSwim. I'm going to uncheck, but if you wish, you can do that, and then click on finish, and the installation will be finished, and then you can close this thing. We don't need anymore, and later you can also delete this thing. So I'm going to right click, and I'm sending it to trash, so it will delete the software. Okay, now our software is installation is successful. Now we are ready to open the software. We can open the ThinkOrSwim software different ways. The first and easiest way is to hold command key and spacebar all together, and the spotlight search will be appeared. So here we have to type just think, and then you will see the ThinkOrSwim software is suggesting from the search bar. So we can double click on top of it, and it will start the ThinkOrSwim. Or you can also open the software some other way also, but this is the easiest option so far I feel, and it is very fast. To load TD Ameritrade, it takes some time, so be patient, because it is installing something or updating. For the first time it takes some time, but from the second time it loads very fast. Once the software is ready, then it will ask you to put the username and password. Okay, so I'm going to type my username and password over here. So I'm going to hit login button to start the logging. Okay, so I'm just clicking login, and then it will start logging the software. And I told you, for the first time it takes some time, but from the second time it will be very fast. Here is the ThinkOrSwim software. Okay, it's successfully logged into my account, and it is showing the dashboard of my account. Okay, then it is actually giving us some disclosure, so we have to click this agree to all, and then there will be one button accept and proceed. So just click there to close this thing, and then your software will be ready to use. So here you will see everything of your TD Ameritrade account details. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully after watching this video, you will be able to know what is the download link of ThinkOrSwim to start your day trading or regular trading, whatever you wish you can do, or also option trading you can do. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any issues or if you face any problem, please put in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.